I had to come back. It's very cold out here. So businesses are typically closed on Thanksgiving, so you can walk around
Papicture ako ni mo gwapo sa diyo ni hinaragay 1, 2, 3
in a strip mall and don't find anybody. See that? Nobody's in the eyebrow studio. Nobody's in the restaurants. Nobody's training for Krav Maga. See what I mean? You want to know what Black Friday is like? This is what the line looks like before the chaos. Nothing! This is where the line starts, and that's where it ends. In fact, it might actually be right more over there, you know, especially with the deals they got going on. I don't know. It's 46 degrees right now. I don't know if you can wait until 8 o'clock. Alright, since it is Thanksgiving, I would like to thank you right there, who's watching this video.